Hi everybody, I'm done. It's not finished, but I'm done. I won't be doing anything else on this kit anymore. Why? I got an email from Revell today saying they don't have replacement decals for me. This kit isn't in stock anymore, so I'm not really motivated to do anything else to a kit that can't be completed fully. It's been a difficult build with all the pieces falling off and breaking and stuff like that, so I didn't have much motivation to continue with it anyway, but yeah, this decal thing really killed my mojo for this kit, so I won't be continuing it. I glued everything on, at least the parts that I could still find. I've lost a few. The push rods for the air brakes, can't find them anywhere. I know I've painted them, so they should be around here or somewhere, but just can't find them. So the air brakes will stay shut. I can't get the canopy off without too much trouble, so I'm not gonna open that either. It's yeah. Apart from the Millennium Falcon, I don't think I will be building a Revell kit anytime soon. Yeah. So that decal isn't complete. I'll zoom you in. It's missing a whole lot. Oop. So that's, yeah. I had some stuff to do, like fill in that gap right there. I won't be doing that. I might just give the extra parts of the landing gear an oil wash just to tie them in with the rest. But there's paint that needs to be touched up, stuff like that. I can't be bothered to do that anymore. I want this kit off my bench as soon as possible. I'll put it in my display cabinet as a reminder to myself whenever I'm thinking about buying a Revell kit in the future. It's not the worst I've built, but it's just not great, and it's, like I said, it's demotivating when everything keeps falling off or doesn't go according to plan. Some things are my own fault, like the decal. I should have had my eyes open and not use hairbrush cleaner instead of water. But yeah, this was the start of this kit was just to see if making YouTube videos was something I'd enjoy, and I enjoy doing that, but not with this kit. No. So yeah, I've tried some things. I got a turntable now with a mirror on it. I tried filming that. I don't know how it will turn out, because it's well, I've just tested it before this, and I had to hold the camera in my hands because I have a very professional camera stand, which is basically two parts of a broomstick taped together, and that's my camera mount, so I can't adjust it. So let's hope that worked out, so I can put some other views of the aircraft in this clip. I can try and show you maybe this way some details. Very difficult. They thought of the landing lights, most kids don't. There and there. So I thought that was pretty okay. The rest, yeah, it's easier to move this up. The navigation lights, stuff like that. They came out really nice. I never got a proper result with those, so I'm happy with that. So there's something I'm happy with this kit. The rest is all a bit, yeah, let's forget about it. I've got a few things I want to start, but I have the Viking ship, which takes up a lot of space. I know there's a picture on my Facebook page of my working area, and it looks really big, but it's a panoramic shot, so it's not that big in real life. I can stretch my arms to the side, and then I almost touch the walls on both sides, so it's not that big. So what will be next? I don't know. I'm definitely gonna keep on filming. For now at least. I still enjoy doing that and talking to you guys and girls. So I might, well, I will continue to do the Viking ship, of course. There's a few projects going on. I've got a repainting project for a friend. That's base coated and dry. I don't think I have that much to show you until I get to the weathering process. But you might recognize that face. So I'll do a video on this, but I'm not sure if I'll do a video series on that. We'll see. Started on a Messerschmitt BF109. I didn't film the very start of it because I started that before I started YouTube, really. I might film that. I did some test filming on that, but it's pretty difficult because it has a lot of really small photo etch, which I'm struggling with, but that might be fun to watch. And then there's some stuff in my stash I might start. So yeah, there's that. No, that's it for me. So there's only one thing for me left, and that's to thank you all very much for watching, for dropping by on my channel. I really appreciate it. I don't have a lot of followers, but there's definitely more than I expected when I started this a few months back, so a big thank you for that. And I'll hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care.